Hello friends, I have come with my notes on examples of Bayes theorem. Example number 1, look here, here is the question. Bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls. 3 red, 3 red and 4 black balls. While another bag, this is bag 2, this contains 5 red and 6 black balls. One ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and it is found to be red. Find the probability that it is drawn from bag number 2. अब देखिए, लर्न विद फन, ये 2 रूम हैं, यहाँ पे 2 बैग लटके हुए हैं। पहले बैग में 3 रेड हैं 4 ब्लैक हैं, दूसरे बैग में 5 रेड हैं 6 ब्लैक हैं। वीडियो कैमरा लगे हुए हैं। दिस इज रूम नंबर 1। 2 स्टूडेंट्स, रामू एंड हिज फ्रेंड, दे आर गोइंग इनसाइड। रामू की आंख पे पट्टी बांध दी गई है। क्यों पट्टी बांधी है? बिकॉज ही कैन बी बायस्ड। सो and in order to remain unbiased, or since it being a random experiment, so his blindness is a must. Now, इसका जो फ्रेंड है वो इसको हेल्प करके अंदर ले जा रहा है। इस साइड पे दूसरे रूम में टीवी स्क्रीन लगा हुआ है। बाकी के क्लास फेलोज फ्रेंड्स बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे। अब इन फ्रेंड्स के बीच में बात हो रही है कि ये बैग नंबर 1 को हाथ लगाएगा या बैग नंबर 2 को हाथ लगाएगा। 50-50 चांस है। रामू डजंट नो कहाँ पे कौन सा बैग है और वो कहाँ जा रहा है हाथ लगाने के लिए, बिकॉज ही इज behaving like a blind person due to his eyes are behind the cloth, and these fellows, his friends, इनमें शर्त लग जाती है, ये बैग नंबर 1 को हाथ लगाएगा, कुछ कहते हैं बैग नंबर 2 को हाथ लगाएगा। कुछ बच्चों में आपस में शर्त लग जाती है, ये रेड बॉल निकाल के लाएगा, दूसरे कहते हैं नहीं ब्लैक निकाल के लाएगा। नो लुक हियर, द गेम स्टार्ट्स। ही इज गोइंग, देयर इज a 50% चांस दैट ही विल टच द बैग नंबर 1 एंड देयर इज a 50% चांस दैट ही विल select the bag number 2. In bag number 1, as you know, there are 3 red and 4 black balls. Probability of red is 3/7 and probability of 4 is 4/7. In second bag there are 5 reds and 6 black. So probability of red is 9/11 and probability of black is 6/11. Now he will be selecting only one bag. The question says one ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and it is found to be red. Find the probability that it is drawn from bag number 2. अब देखिए, सबसे पहले हम रेड वाले के साथ इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालेंगे। दिस इज 50% चांस दैट ही इज गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट दिस बैग and 3/7 is the probability of the red ball. So multiply it. So it is 1/2 into 3/7. Secondly, for second bag, selecting the bag is 1/2, probability is 1/2 and probability of red is 5/11. Multiply it and add it. This is the total probability. कौन सा फेवरेबल है? That it has come from the second bag. सेकेंड बैग ये वाला है, ये ऊपर लिख दीजिए। आंसर कम्स 35/68। So simple, you go with tree diagram. Similarly, I will be going ahead with another example. Look here. Example number 2 is there. This is example number 2. It says, given 3 identical boxes, 1, 2, and 3. Look here, there are 3 identical boxes. In box 1, both are gold coins. Gold 1, gold 2. Both are gold. In this case, both are silver. In box 2, coins are silver coins. And in box 3, one gold is there, one silver is there. A person chooses a box at random, आंखों पे पट्टी बांधी गई है, and takes out a coin. If the coin is gold, what is the probability that the other coin in the box is also a gold? देखिए इसमें गोल्ड है, सेकंड कॉइन भी गोल्ड है. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस. नाउ what is the probability of selecting the box number 1? It is 1 by 3. What about second box? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Because there are 3 boxes, identical boxes are there. So, probability of selecting the bag will be 1 by 3 each. Now, what is the selecting the gold coin in the first case? Both are gold. It is 2 by 2. 2 by 2. And 1 by 3 is this. 1 by 3 into 2 by 2, it becomes this. Similarly, in this case, there is no gold. So 1 by 3 into 0, this is there. In third case, one is gold and other is silver. 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, it becomes this. ये टोटल कर दो सबका, इट बिकम्स द टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी, जो कि आपको डिनोमिनेटर में लिखना है. दिस इज द टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी. फेवरेबल क्या है? ये वाला केस है. We want first gold as well as second gold. So it means the answer will be, ये वाला आपको ऊपर रखना है and total नीचे. So the answer comes 2 by 3. Now let us go to example number 3. Very simple they are. Example number 3. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of the 4 times. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. Find the probability that it is actually 6. Now, this is the question. Let us see the solution. So, since he is speaking the truth, and there is a question of die, this is the sample space. या तो ट्रूथ बोलेगा या फॉल्स. ट्रूथ बोलने के कितने % चांसेस हैं? 3 out of 4, दैट इज 3 by 4. और फॉल्स बोलने के कितने हैं? 1 by 4. इन दिस केस 6 अगर आया है, 6 की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? 1 by 6. 6 नहीं आया है, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? 5 by 6. सेम वे हेयर आल्सो, 6 आया है, क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है? 1 by 6. 6 नहीं आया तो 5 by 6. Since he is speaking the truth, what is the, find the probability that it is actually a 6. Actually a 6 means he is going with the truth. So this is, he is saying here it is truth. So it is, and he is speaking truth. So 3 by 4 into 1 by 6. 3 by 4 into 1 by 6, and this is 1 by 5 by 6 into 1 by 4. So this is the case, 1 by 4 into 5 by 6. So add this, it is the total probability. This is our favorable case. So answer will be 3 by 8. Now let us go to the last one. Last one is example number 4. there are three coins. Look here, coin number 1, 2, and 3. One is having two-headed coin. It is a two-headed coin. दोनों तरफ head है. Another is a biased coin that comes up 75% of the time. That comes up 75% head and 25% tail. So 3 by 4 is head and 1 by 4 is tail. And in the third case, it is unbiased. Unbiased means 50-50. एक head है, एक tail है, so 50-50 chances are there, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this into this plus this into this, head वाला देखना है आपको, this into this is this. इसका total कर दीजिए, this is the total probability and this is the favorable case. What he says, one of the three coins is chosen at random and tossed. It shows head. What is the probability that it was the two-headed coin? Two-headed coin. So this is the favorable case. So favorable को ऊपर रख दीजिए, total नीचे रख दीजिए. It becomes the probability of head selected from two-headed coin. This is 4 by 9. So this is how the questions will be done. I hope you might have understood and found it easy. And these questions are a must question. ये ज़रूरी आएंगे. इनमें से एक क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली आता है. ये मस्त क्वेश्चंस हैं. So बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. And I hope you will come out with flying colors. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. If you like it, please subscribe it and also share among your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.